Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Sukh EduWorld. Now we will finish next 15 questions. Okay, we will discuss answer keys of next 15 and 10 total. There are 70 questions in this section. Okay, so 10 questions are pending that I will cover in next video. So let's start from 46 to 60. Okay, so I will complete these 15 questions in this video. So next question is, as per Indian standards, the fire pump house should be located outside the building with the minimum clearance of dash from adjoining building. So some questions are direct. Okay, no need to explain. Its answer is 6 meter. Okay, so as per Indian standard, fire pump house should be located outside the building with the minimum clearance of 6 meter from adjoining building. Clear? So let's discuss next question. So next question is, calcium carbide reacts with water to yield compound A. Compound A on oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate at room temperature form compound B, and we have to identify B compound. So calcium, first is calcium carbide reacts with water to yield A compound. So calcium carbide, that is CaC2, reacts with water to yield compound A, reacts with water. Okay, so its compound will be this. Acetylene plus calcium hydroxide. So its balanced chemical reaction is this one. So this is calcium carbide. Calcium carbide when reacts with water to yield compound, that is acetylene. Clear? So this acetylene compound on oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate at room temperature to form compound B. So take this acetylene. This will react with alkaline. This is our A compound. Okay, that is acetylene. So this will react with the potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, and this reaction occurs at room temperature in the presence of water. To yield compound, these are the products: manganese dioxide plus 2KOH. So this is the main product, that is oxalic acid. Clear? This is B. So acetylene is A, second A compound. Okay, and we have to tell answer B compound. And formic acid, that is wrong. Acetic acid also wrong. So oxalic acid is correct answer, that is B compound. So third option is correct answer here. Next is cis-bute-2-ene and trans-bute-2-ene are which type of isomers of alkene? So these are geometrical isomers. Cis-bute-2-ene, bute meaning there are 4 carbons. Clear? Okay, if we'll take cis, that is this butene, CS3, CS3, H. 2-ene, so this is first, this one is second. This is cis-butene and this is trans-butene. Cis meaning substituents are on the same side. Trans meaning means substituents are on the same substituents are on the different side. This is trans. Okay, so this is cis form, this is trans form, and the correct answer is both are geometrical isomers. Cis and trans both are geometrical isomers. So geometrical isomers meaning these isomers are differ in the spatial arrangement of atoms or groups around the double bond. So around the double bond, these are different due to spatial arrangement of atoms or group. Okay, spatial arrangement of atoms or groups around the double bond. So this happen in geometrical isomerism. So this is geometric, both are geometrical isomers. So third option is correct answer. Next is, which of the following properties is typically improved in branch chain polymers compared to linear polymers? So correct answer is melt viscosity. Okay, so branched polymers actually these tend to have lower melt viscosity. Okay, these tend to have lower melt viscosity. So due to it happens due to their structure, that is branching in their structure, and that allows them to flow more easily when they melted. So correct answer is melt viscosity. Next is, how many extension ladders should be there in water tender as per standard? So as per standard there should be one. Okay, so correct answer is third option. So some questions are direct. In which of the following cooling tower arrangements are the fans located at the tower bottom to push air into the tower? So out of these four tower, forced draft cooling tower is correct answer. As per Indian standard test requirements, minimum range of throw of portable DCP. Okay, so DCP meaning dry chemical powder. Okay, so as per Indian standard test requirement, the minimum range of throw of portable dry chemical powder type fire extinguishers of 5 kg capacity is 4 meters. So 4 meter is correct answer. Next is, what is the primary objective of risk management in petroleum refinery? First is complying with the government regulation, that is incorrect. Second is correct, that is ensuring process safety and protecting personnel. This is more appropriate answer. And next is maximizing profit, incorrect. Minimizing environmental impact, incorrect. So ultimately the primary objective of risk management is ensuring process safety and protecting personnel. Second option is correct. Next is, what type of isomerism is shown by 1-butene and 2-butene? So correct answer is position isomer. Okay, so actually position isomer, these are mainly constitution isomer with identical carbon skeleton. Identical, what are position isomer? Which have identical carbon skeleton. Okay, identical carbon skeleton and have identical functional groups, but differ in location of functional groups in chain. Okay, so we will discuss later about 1-butene and 2-butene. I'll show you one example, like if we'll take 1 chloropropane and 2-chloropropane, so you will see in both case both have halogen. Okay, both are alkyl halide, but The position, if you will see, molecular formula is same, but position of chlorine is different on the same carbon skeleton. So one chloropropane meaning this one, okay, this is one chloropropane, and two chloropropane, position of chlorine is on the second carbon. So molecular formula is same, but in the carbon skeleton on the carbon chain, position of chlorine is different, here on the second carbon, here on the first carbon. So if we'll talk about one chloropropane, two chloropropane, both are position isomer because position or location of chlorine is changed here. Similar happen in the case of one butene or two butene. So in case of one butene, what will be here, this is one butene, and in the case of two butene, double bond is here. So alkene, position of alkene meaning double bond is changed, this is one and this is at second position, that's why both are position isomer. Clear? So position isomer, when position or location of any particular functional group on particular skeleton on or in a particular carbon skeleton or carbon chain is changed, so there we will say there are position isomerism and both are position isomers. Clear? So correct answer is fourth option. Next question is, what is the primary concern associated with hazards waste disposal? So one is public health risk. Okay, correct option. Second is environmental pollution. Correct answer. Third is economic cost. Wrong. Fourth is regulatory compliance. Wrong. So just read it once. Again, what is a primary concern associated with hazardous waste disposal? Okay, so one is public health risk, second is environmental pollution. So environmental pollution and public health risk both are appropriate answer, but more is public health risk. Okay, so it answer should be also environmental pollution, but they are preferring public health risk. So correct option is first. Okay, so if there are other option like 1 and 2, in that case you can tick both first and second. Next is, what is the primary goal of process safety management? Obviously process safety management, its primary goal should be to manage risk. Okay, more, this is more appropriate option. Correct answer, you have to take this one. Okay, to manage risk. And the second is to reduce hazards, to ensure compliances with the regulation, to prevent release of hazard chemical. Okay, others may be, but we have to tick only one, and so correct is regarding safety management during process, so this is to manage risk. Okay, so this is the main primary goal of process safety management, to manage risk. So first option is correct answer here. So which of the following statements are correct regarding the bomb calorimetry? First is energy change measured by bomb calorimetry is an internal energy change. Correct option. Second is oxygen is supplied in excess to increase the pressure inside the bomb. Also correct. In a bomb calorimeter, the heat of combustion is measured at a constant volume. That is also correct. The heat of combustion can be calculated from the heat gained by the water, and the calorimeter is also correct. So overall all statements are correct. So however they are providing this as a correct answer, but answer should be fourth one because all statements are correct. Okay, they are saying this is incorrect statement, oxygen is supplied in excess to increase the pressure inside the bomb, but this is also correct. Okay, so answer should be fourth, not first one. Next is, what is the importance of involving cross-functional team in the hazard identification process in a petroleum refinery? So correct answer is to leverage diverse expertise and perspective. Okay, so by involving team members from various departments, you can ensure a comprehensive and well-rounded approach to identifying and mitigating hazards. So correct answer is to leverage diverse expertise and perspectives. Next question is, which type of fluid maintains its volume regardless of change in pressure? Regardless of change in pressure, okay? So which type of fluid maintain its volume? So obviously it should be incompressible in nature. So that is incompressible fluid. So third option is correct answer. Next is, which element of fire tetrahedron is removed by fire inhibitor? So correct answer is chain reaction. Okay. So a fire inhibitor primarily actually removes the chain reaction element of the fire tetrahedron. Okay. So fire inhibitor, what do fire inhibitor disrupts the chemical reaction occurring in the flame and effectively stopping the fire from sustaining itself. So chain reaction is correct answer here. Remaining 10 questions we will cover. Total there are 70 questions. Remaining 10 questions I'll cover in next video, and after that I will upload one video in which I will cover all important topics from the exam point of view for the post of junior chemist in chemical, just for HRRL. Okay, because you are preparing now for this exam, that's why I will upload this video. You can read, you can study whatever you want, okay, but don't skip that topics, because all the topics covers 2 to 3 even 4 questions in this question paper. Okay, so collectively I will provide you all the topics and you can read that literature. Okay, thank you very much.